northerly island open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located over portions of northeast Illinois, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in several ways. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Cribs, Belmont Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Guy Iversey Harbor, and Waukegan Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. This is NOAA weather.